Namaste dear students. So in the last few classes we were discussing about time series. In that measurement of trend, last method of measuring trend is least squares method or a method of least squares. So in method of least squares we were fitting straight line trend, isn't it? So we did two problems when the number of observations are odd. One we did without graph, one we did with the graph. Right now, third one we did when the number of observations are even. Only the difference between the first one and last one. What is the difference? Yes, in the first one number of observations even x values only, all other procedure are same while taking x values. So that is the only difference. In the if a number of observations are odd means we will get x value, we are taking x values are minus 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1 difference. If even period are there means even number of observations are there means we won't get exact midpoints. At that time what we are taking is we are taking two midpoints, then middlemost two time points. Next we are taking two difference. You have to remember. Can we do one more problem? Fit a straight line trend. Fit a straight line trend. Fit a straight line trend. Fit a straight line trend for the following data. For the following data by the method of least squares. By the method of least squares. By the method of least squares. Estimate the probable value for 2006. Estimate the probable value for 2006. Okay. Next year and value. So here year value. Year 1999 up to 2004, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. Okay. So here it is 10, 8, 12, 10, 8, 12, 9, 11, 12. 9, 11, 12. Okay. So just read the question first. Fit a straight line trend to the following time series data. Estimate the probable value for 2006. Correct na? So in that year and value. See, first you have to see how many years are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when the number of observations are even, middlemost two time points are taken as minus 1 and plus 1. Next not 1 difference, it is 2 difference. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 5, below 1, 3, 5. Correct na? First we have to write that one, remember. So I will write here solution. Here n equal to, not m here, moving averages method it is m, it is least squares method. So here number of observations we are taking or number of years. Here n equal to 6 is an even number. Even number. Therefore values of x corresponding to middlemost two time points are taken as x equal to minus 1 and x equal to plus 1. x equal to plus 1. Other values of x are taken as below. Other values of x are taken as below. Other values of x are taken as below, right now. So, year and value. So, middlemost 2 time points, remember since n equal to 6 is an even number. So, even number banda koodle, this is the procedure you have to remember. So, year, next value, year, next value. See, one more thing you have to remember, fit a straight line trend. They asked, they didn't tell about a graph. So, no need to do the graph. So, if graph is there means you have to draw the trend values. You have to obtain the trend values. So, here no need to find the trend values. Just find the values of A and B. Then fit that straight line. Okay. Next year value, next x value, next x square, next xy. Okay. Year it is 1999, 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. Here it is 10, 8, 12, 9, 11, 12. Okay. Next, see here total is required. So, I am writing total here. It is x, midmost 2 points. Here it is minus 1, for this one plus 1. Correct na? Next above 2 difference, since this is even number. Minus 1, next it is minus 3, next minus 5, 2 difference. Below 1, 3, 5. Clear na? Yes, x square, number of observations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 years are there. So, it is even banda kudle, this is the procedure. Middlemost 2 time points are taken as minus 1 and plus 1. Here minus 3, minus 5, below 1, 3, 5. X square, minus 5 square, minus 3 square, 1 square, 1 square, 9, 2 2s are 25. Sorry, 5 5s are 25. Last column x into y, it is value is taken as y. X into y, 10 into minus 5, minus 50, 8 into minus 3, minus 24, 12 into minus 1, minus 12, 9 1s are 9, 11 3s are 33, 12 5s are 60. Okay. Next total we have to find, I will write the total. Sigma y is 62. Sigma x how much? It is always 0. Sigma x square is 70 and it is 16. Clear na? So, while doing the totals of positive and negative, first do the totals of positive only. Next minus 12, minus 24, minus 50, so that you will get the value as 16. Next, let what is the procedure? Let y equal to a plus bx be the trend equation, straight line trend equation. Then a equal to, you have to remember the formula, a equal to sigma y divided by n. Correct na? You have to remember the formula of a and b, that now itself you remember. A equal to sigma y divided by n. Sigma y is value, total value of y, that is 62. Divided by n means number of years, number of observations 6. 62 divided by 6, it is 10.33. 10.33. Clear na? Then b equal to sigma xy divided by sigma x square. Sigma xy divided by sigma x square. Sigma xy means xy columns total, it is 16. Sigma x square columns total, it is 70. 16 divided by 70, answer is 0.23. Thus, so we got the values of a and b. So, thus the trend equation is y equal to, so in this equation y equal to a plus bx, just substitute the values of a and b, keep x as it is. So a is 10.33 plus b is 0.23, 0.23 into x. Clear na? 10.33 plus 0.23x. So y equal to a plus bx. This much over. So our first question, fit a straight line trend to the following data by the method of least squares. That part is over. One more part is remaining. You read the question. Estimate the probable value for 2006. So 2006 probable value we have to find. So for that what I have to do? See, remember here this is our trend equation. In this trend equation, by substituting different values for x, so when x equal to minus y, we are getting the first trend value. When x equal to minus 3, I am getting the second trend value. When x equal to minus 1, I am getting the third one, like that. So x ge different values ee equation alli hakidre I will get the trend values, isn't it? Similarly, we will estimate the future trend in this equation only by putting x value for 2006. Clear na? So 99 ge minus y, 2000 ge minus 3, similarly 2004 ge 5, next 2005, 2005 ge 135, not it is 6, it is 7, 2006 ge it is 9, correct na? 135, next year 2005 it is 7, 2006 ge 9. So estimate of that I will write here, that is actually second, estimate of value for 2006, it seems, right? 2006. So that we have to find for 2006 x equal to how much? I told x equal to 135, 2005 ge 7, 2005 ge 7, 2006 ge 13579, 9, x equal to 9. So put x equal to 9 in this equation. So y cap in the sense it is estimated value. So y cap 2006 equal to 10.33 plus 0.23 into x, x is 9. 10.33 plus 0.23 into 9, you will get one value there, it is 12.4. 12.4. Units is not given us. First you have to do that one, 0.23 into 9 first, you will get one value, plus 10.33, it is 12.4. Clear na? So this is y cap 2006. So idralli just you have to remember one thing, x value yavudu kodudu. So which is the year and corresponding x value you have to remember. Just substitute that value in this one. Can we do one more problem? Yes, here a graph is not there. Can we do one with the graph? Yes, with the graph we will do one more problem. So here also fit a straight line trend for the following time series data. Second question, fit a straight line trend itself, even number, when number of observations are even, how to do? Okay. Okay, here, so with the graph we will do one, estimate, fit a straight line trend, estimate the production for 2000, estimate the, see one more question was there, estimate the production for 2002. Okay. Plot the original and trend values on the same graph. Plot the graph, I will write, okay. Plot the graph. However, we are in graph we are finding both which one? Actually histogram and trend values, both we are fitting. So here year and production, year production. Year production in 1000 tons. Year 1996, 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001, 2001, right? Okay, 1995 onwards, 96 I did. Okay, no problem. Then 20, 22. Sorry, here it starts from 1995 onwards. Okay, 1995, 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000. Okay, 1995, 96, 97, 98, 99, 2000. 20, 22, 18, 20, 22, 18, 25, 20, 25, 28, 25. Okay. So, remember here, here also how many years are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, middlemost 2 time points are taken as values of x corresponding to middlemost 2 time points are taken as -1 and +1. Other values are -3, -5, above, below 1, 3, 5. So, that we have to write, I wrote here n equal to 6 is an even number. Therefore, values of x corresponding to middlemost 2 time points are taken as x equal to -1 and x equal to +1. Other values of x are taken as below. Here also, here remember plot the graph. So, one more column is there for finding trend values. So, I will write here year, next production, year production, production is denoted by y, okay, in 1000 tons itself. Next x, next x square, next xy, last one is trend values. Year 1995, next 1996, next 1997, 1998, 1999, next 2000. Total. Okay, here it is 20, 22, 18, 25, 28, 25. Okay, correct na? Yes. Okay, next what I have to do? Yes. Next x value. X value middlemost 2 time points, it is -1, it is +1. Here it is -3, -5, 1, 3, 5. X square, -5 square 25. 3 3s are 9, 1 1s are 1, 1 3 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25. Correct na? X square. Last column x into y. X is this one, y is this one. 20 into -5, -100. Correct na? 5 2s are 10. 22 into -3, -66. Here -18. 1 into 25, 25. 28 into 3. 28 into 3 it is 74, 20, 84. 28 into 3 is 84. 25 5s are 125, it seems, right? 125. Next one, trend values. Trend values we will find later, x into y, correct na? Yes, x into y. Last trend values we are finding last. So, here as it is you have to write, let y equal to a plus bx be the trend equation, be the trend equation. let y equal to a plus bx be the trend equation. Then a equal to, therefore a equal to sigma y divided by n. Sigma y, total y, every totals we have to find. It is n equal to 6, it is 138, next it is 0, sigma x 0, sigma x square is sigma x square 19, sigma xy 50, 19. Okay, I wrote x square, how it comes, x square not, xy, correct na? Sigma x square 70, right? Sigma x square is 70. 25 plus 25 50, 50 plus 60, here 10 plus 10, so it is 70. Sigma xy is 50. Okay, minus is there, you have to find 125 plus 84 plus 25, you have to do first minus 18, minus 66, minus 100, you will get the value as 50. So a equal to sigma y divided by n. Sigma y is total of y 138, n means number of observations 6. Similarly b equal to sigma xy divided by sigma x square. Sigma xy means xy column total 50 divided by sigma x square. Sigma x square is x square total, it is 70. So a equal to, answer is 23 and b equal to 0.7142. 7142. Okay, you can take 4 digits or 2 digits. So only one thing you have to remember while doing trend values ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐದರ್ ಟೇಕ್ 2 digits or 4 digits. 2 digits also enough, not a problem. 0.71 if you are taking, that much enough. So next trend values are found by, here you have to write trend values are obtained by putting different values of x. Putting different values of x. Okay. X, when x equal to -5, I am getting the trend value for first year. When x equal to -3, I will get the trend value for second one. X equal to -1, I will get the trend value for third one. X equal to 1, I will get this one. X equal to 3, x equal to 5. Okay, clear na? Yes, I will do directly. Okay, x equal to ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ದೇ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ 19.429, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ 20.857, third one is 22.285, 23.714, 25.142, 26.571. So it's a total is not required actually. Okay, that much over. Okay, next what you have to do? Next we have to draw the graph. Graph is there. After that we will find it for 2000 to estimate. You can do here itself. Now itself you can do estimate. Therefore the trend equation is. Therefore the trend equation is y equal to a is 23 plus b 7142 into x, a plus bx. Correct na? A plus 0.7142 x. Next what we have to do? Yes, what we have to do? Next we have to estimate the production for 2002. So for 2002 what is x value? 2000 ಗೆ it is 5. 2001 ಗೆ 7, 2002 ಗೆ 9, 2 difference you have to remember, 1 3 5 next 7 next 9. So estimate of, I'll write here, estimate of production, estimate of production for the year 2002. That is for 2002 x equal to how much? I told it is 9. 1 3 5 next 2001 ಗೆ it is 7, 2002 ಗೆ 9, 2 difference. So x equal to 9. So y cap 2002 equal to ಈ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ x equal to 9, just put 23 plus and 42 into 9. So answer is you have to do 0.7142 into 9 first, you will get one quantity plus 23, answer is 29.42. 4278, that much tons or 1000 tons, that much 1000 tons. You have to write the unit. Okay, clear na this one? Yes, one more thing you have to remember, we have to plot the graph. So while doing graph, what and all will be there? Graph ಮಾಡುವಾಗ what and all are there? Graph ಮಾಡುವಾಗ year, then production, that is histogram, then year and trend values both must be there. Year ಮತ್ತು production, year ಮತ್ತು trend value both, one for histogram, one for trend value. Okay, can we do the graph? Okay, so this much clear na? I'll rub this. Okay, okay, here graph construction. First every graph must have a title, construction of straight line trend, construction of a straight line trend, construction of a straight line trend. Next here x axis and y axis you have to mark. First mark x axis, next y axis. Here it is 0. Along x axis which one we are taking? Year. Year starts from 1995. Next 1996, 97, 2000, 2001. Okay, that is a year here. Here it is a production. Production we have to take along the y axis. See production, while taking production you have to see the scale, 20, lowest one 18, highest 28. So in between only these are coming. So it starts from 18, 18 onwards I am taking 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. 22, 24, 26, 28, correct na? Yes. 0 to 18, this difference we are actually not considering. So here we have to draw false baseline. So it is a false baseline here. Clear na? Yes, it is a false baseline. Next what we have to do? Yes, next first we have to draw the histogram. Histogram year and production. 1995 ಗೆ 20, 1996 ಗೆ 22, 1997 18, 1998 25. 25 means in between 24 and 26 midpoint. 1999 28, 28, 2025, 2001 is not there here actually, right? 2000 up to 2000 only. 2000 it is 25, 25 again here only. Okay, so draw them, join them using scale. This is our histogram. Now itself you have to write a histogram. This is our histogram. Correct na? Next trend line. So for drawing trend line, year and trend values. So 1995 19.429, 19.411 enough in trend values. 1995 ಗೆ corresponding 19.4, 1995 ಗೆ 19.4, 19 comes here, 19.4 means ಅದರ just ಮೇಲ್ನ ಲೈನ್ 6th ಲೈನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So here it is. Next 1996 20.8, 20.8 means 4th line, 21 ಗಿಂತ ಕೆಳಗೆ 1996, so here it is 1996. 1997 22.8, 22.2, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಳಗೆ 1998 23.7, 1998 23 comes here, 1999 25 point comes bit here, 1999, correct na? Okay, bit here. 2000 26 point, 26 here, 26 point andre adra mele. Next see here most of the lines are under straight line only. ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ how many, most of the points are coming under straight line. Some may disperse here and there. So disperse ಆದರೂ no need to worry, disperse ಆದರೆ let it be. So how many points are coming under straight line, you draw that one. So ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಉಂಟು. ಕೆಲವು ಮಾತ್ರ ಡಿವಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಡಿವಿಯೇಟ್ ಆದ್ದು ಹಾಗೇ ಇರಲಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಲೈನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ನಾ? Yes, this is our trend line. So most of the points are coming under straight line. Some points may scatter here and there. Leave such lines, no problem. Then write a scale. Scale you have to draw, write a scale. X axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit or 1 year. Y axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Y axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. So false baseline we have to draw only to represent a scale applies only after this false baseline. Hope this much is clear to you. Hope straight line trend is clear to you. Next quadratic trend we are discussing. Next last exponential trend also there, that we will discuss in the next year, next class. Okay, thank you.